Hey everybody, it's Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor. Welcome to your cool down stretch. So we're going to actually be doing this routine on the ground. So hopefully you have a soft kind of surface that you can be stretching on. And let's just relax and kind of stretch out all our muscles. This is great after a workout, or it would be great at the end of the day. Okay, so I'm going to start off on my knees on the ground here, and all we're going to do is take a good deep breath here. And now we're going to take a little side bend, so we're stretching this side. So right now, of course, you could still be standing, but then we are going to come down to our mats. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this channel, and I love to hear your comments below. And let's lean over to the other side now, just relaxing, getting a good stretch on the opposite side. Good. Okay, what we're going to do next is a little neck stretch. So you're going to try and bring your ear towards your shoulder. So don't forget to take some nice deep breaths as you're kind of relaxing into your stretch. Your heart rate's coming down if you just worked out. Roll that forward a little. Go ahead and come over to the other side and just trying to get that ear towards your shoulder. Hold for a few more seconds. And then we'll come on up. We'll do a few shoulder rolls. Let's roll it up and back, stretch out that shoulder a bit, and then we're gonna do a little shoulder stretch. We're gonna bring our arm across and give it a little push there against your arm, and just relax your shoulders. So hopefully you feel that if you're kind of up like that, like I was, and then just kind of relax your shoulder down, stretch that out. And then do the same thing. We'll bring this one across. We'll give it a push against the arm there. And then I try and just relax my shoulder down. Get a good shoulder stretch in. And of course, if you're standing for this, that is perfectly fine. Okay, next what you're going to do is you're going to grab behind you and get a good little chest stretch in, just to open up our chest a bit. And also grabbing in front, and then we will just turn our hands over and get a good forearm stretch and a wrist stretch there. But especially in our forearms, this feels really good. And then, after this one, I am going to have you come down, if you're not on your mat, on your knees, and you're going to stretch one leg out straight out, to your side. And then we're going to again do that side bend over towards that straight leg. This is a good stretch, good stretch. Feel it in your side and the inside of your straight leg. And come up. Let's switch that. So straighten out that other leg. Let's do that side bend. Don't forget your good deep breathing. Good. And up. Okay. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to sit on our mats or the floor, wherever you're at. Okay, and what you're going to do is first, let's just kind of open our legs into that V position, and I want you to, the best you can, you're just going to try and reach down towards your foot. So just get down as far as you can go. Even if you're up like this, that's still, you're gonna feel a good hamstring stretch. So just do the best you can and relax into that stretch. Great, come on up. Let's do the same thing over to the other side. So first, just kind of see one side might be tighter than the other. Come down into that stretch. Great. Okay, next what you're going to do is you're going to bring your heels together into a butterfly stretch. So you're going to just kind of press your bottoms of your feet together, and then if you want to, you can kind of take your elbows and press against the inside of your knee there, just to kind of deepen that stretch. Just take a couple good deep breaths here. Good job. You can grab your feet or your toes if you want, and even kind of try and lean forward a bit. Come on up. What we're going to do next is we're going to actually straighten out one of those legs. So I'll just kind of turn this way a bit. So I still have my one leg is bent, the other one's straightened out, and then you're just going to try and lean forward towards that straight leg. And I'm particularly tight in this hip, so I really have to work on this one. If you have a strap or a towel, you can kind of put it around your foot. That would really be great to assist you to get a little deeper. Great. Let's switch sides and do the same thing on the other side. And this side should be a lot better for me. Still not great, but it's okay, I'm working on it, right? And so are you. That's the most important thing. Good. Okay, let's come on up. Okay, next what we're going to do is you're going to lay on your side, and you're going to have both legs are out straight, but then you're going to grab that top leg, and you can actually come down onto your elbow here, and then I'm just pulling my foot towards my butt to get a good quad stretch. So we stretch the front, the back of the leg. Now we're stretching the front. So this one always feels good. Good deep breaths in. Perfect. And switch. Same thing on the other side. So switch sides here. Come on down to your elbow, and then grab that top foot and then just pull it back. You can be resting all the way down if that feels good. Whatever feels best for you to get that good deep quad stretch. Hold that for just a few more seconds. Great. Okay, let's come on up. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to have our feet out straight, and we're going to reach towards for our toes. Okay, let's stretch our hamstrings again. Good job. Okay, one of my favorite stretches, which let's see, I think I'm going to turn this way. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to bring this leg, you're going to cross it over on top, okay? You can be laying down on the ground. That's probably going to be easiest. So you're going to take that, cross it over your other knee. Then I want you to reach through. And if this is, you can just grab behind your leg here and just pull that towards you. If you can reach all the way around, that's going to be even a little deeper. Good hip and glute stretch. You can lay down on the ground. You can have your head up, whatever feels best here. Just trying to really stretch out the glutes and your hips. That is a great one. It's really good for your lower back as well. Okay, so we're going to switch. So I'm going to cross this one over the other knee. I'm going to reach through, remember. So first, if that's all you can do, that's great. But if you can, maybe reach over just right below your knee there. Good. Good hip stretch. So you can, be relaxing, or you can have it up here, whatever feels best. You can even do this one seated. It's still very effective. Just crossing your leg over like that and then trying to reach down towards your foot if you're sitting doing that. Good, a few more seconds here. Okay, well, come on up this time. Okay, what we're gonna do now is a seated twist. So you're gonna have both legs out. You're gonna take one and cross it over. Then I'm going to turn, so I'm gonna use my elbow to kind of press against my outside of my knee. And then I'm going to turn and try and look behind me. So this is a seated twist. Great. Same thing on the other side. Cross that foot over. Then you're going to turn. You're going to take that opposite arm here. We're going to kind of press against it and twist. Perfect. Come on back. Let's see. Oh, we're going to do another one where we are going to come onto your hands and your knees. And what I want you to try and do is I want you to try and come up onto your toes, okay? And then you're going to straighten that out the best you can here into this V position. And you're going to feel this in your calf muscle. And your hamstrings, you can kind of pedal your feet a bit if you like. If you're flexible, you can keep both heels towards the ground is what you're trying to do. So feel that. Oh, that is such a good stretch. Go ahead and come back down onto your knees here. And what we're going to do is a Cobra Stretch. So you're going to come down onto your stomach here. And you're going to have your hands kind of right under your underarms there. And you're going to push up. Oh yeah, that is such a good stretch. So just feel that, do the best you can. You can have your feet kind of wide. That will help. So you're down here like this, kind of in a push-up position. And then you're going to push up here though, and just breathe, relax, and enjoy that. Great. Come up and go into a child's pose. So now I just shift myself back here and my arms are extended out. Reach those fingertips out. You'll feel a deep stretch under your arm. And come on up again. And all we're going to do is one more good deep stretch here. Have a good deep breath. I'm pretty relaxed now. And I hope you are too. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you guys next time.